Clickety click clack, click click clicky.
I'll take that.
Oh,
it's good.
oh, good.
It's good.
Okay.
Except for this part and that part.
All right. Well,
that's good.
Well, they say writing is rewriting, so
Yep.
I don't mind doing an edit. I just
Okay, let's do an edit. Let's do an edit.
Click click clackety click click clack clack clickety clack clack.
I'll take that.
Gotcha.
Yes. Okay. It's really good.
Oh, great.
It's really good.
Good.
Nice.
Okay. You know, I'm working on the whole Dan Harmon circle.
Except this part and this part.
Those were the parts I told you.
I'll take that. I gotta be on stage. But it's not in it.
Clickety clack. Click, click. Sorry, this part's crossed out.
It's not easy to listen to the way I wrote
It said clack. Clickety, clickety, clack.
It works on.
Cut.
Yeah.
Let me see that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this line is in need of a rewrite.
Oh, here, I'll cut it.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
Clickety clack, 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 clickety clack, 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 clickety clack, clack, clack.
Oh, look at him walking. Look at the dumbass with the braces on the legs.
Stupid.
Trying to walk? Oh, you trying to walk?
Hey, he was an astronaut. Back the fuck off, kids. This man would. Hey, you don't want to talk a little bit of re-entry?
I'm good. Who needs it?
I recommend it.
Baby, I'm fine. Shuttle, we're picking up the seatbelt sensor. Oh, God! What are the seatbelt sensors in the active?
You said, could you repeat? I can't hear anything.
What are the seatbelt sensors? It's not clicking.
Houston?
You gotta clock it.
Hey, I'm sorry we was making fun of you.
Oh, my God, it's that guy.
It's that guy. It's that guy. It's that one.
Yeah, it's his balls exploded. You did not. Stop that. Stop that.
Have some respect.
The voice has nothing to do with the balls. He always spoke like that.
You should know that my best friend Tyrone wants to be an astronaut.
Well, you can't, because you're disrespectful.
Excuse me, are you telling him he can't be an astronaut? Are you telling him he can't be an astronaut? Because he can.
Guys, this is my wife.
Because he can. He can be an
Why
astronaut.
are we being used pawns?
Do you want to be alone?
Do you want to be an astronaut? Tell me. Be honest.
I do.
Okay?
Wait a moment. I'll take that, kid. It's me.
What?
Space Rocketman.
Let's watch their adventure. Let's watch their adventure. I want to see that.
Young man.
Oh, it's great. I haven't.
Shoot this rifle. There's aliens out there. You need to know how to handle yourself.
You're gonna be late for dinner.
Dinner. Good. You're the best shot I've ever seen. Quick, pilot this through this asteroid field.
But I don't know how to drive.
Use your instincts. Wow. Truly exceptional. My ball. It's all part of it. And so, there we are.
Hey, welcome back home space.
Yeah, what was it like? Tell us.
It was everything I ever thought it could be.
Oh no.
And how dare you make fun of that astronaut from before? I now understand what it is to be an astronaut, and I also hired a couple to defend me, but they're late.
Hey, you know what?
Sorry.
Speak of the couple.
Sorry.
Sorry, you want us
Sorry.
to defend you?
It just didn't sound like they were making fun of you, so we didn't.
No, we respect you.
Yeah, we matured so much. We have families now.
Okay, also, you haven't even been here for
Sorry
5
we're
minutes.
late. Sorry we're late. Pewterschmidt. You hired us to attack that young man for you.
Talk to my representatives.
Okay, sorry. Now we're here.
So apparently you hired them to attack me.
Yeah, we didn't feel right doing
You're an idiot.
I was by far not the alpha of the group. I was very.
Well, to be fair.
Ow!
See that? I saw that.
Yeah.
Yes. But he's not an idiot. He went to space. It's just that his balls
You said
exploded.
that.
And he was late for dinner that night, but that's.
You are broken.
Like emotional.
I like you.
Thanks.
And this is nice.
Yeah,
This whole setup is really
I appreciate you, picking me up and putting me in your car. I.
Put you on the driver's side.
It's almost like you're taunting me because I can't.
Up first for our double feature, Eraser.
I love this movie. This is the Schwarzenegger movie, Eraser.
I think it is the Vanessa Williams movie.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm the sexist. He was top billed. I'm sorry.
I like you too. I like you too.
I like you.
Hey, you guys. Hey,
There's someone in your back seat.
they can't hear you through the windshield.
Yeah.
What is it?
Son, if you're gonna bring us on the stage, could you please just lower your voice? We're trying to watch.
My parents are here.
Just been erased.
I like you. Okay, I like you.
Listen to me, you're about to be erased.
I don't want to spoil this great movie.
Don't talk about what's gonna happen.
Are you trying to erase me?
Son,
Alright, guys, we gotta talk about the script of Eraser. There's a few too many references to the erasing.
Okay, I get it.
To be fair, I told him that part, not good, and that
Okay.
part, not good. I did say that.
I thought the weapon could disintegrate from within.
No, the problem, all that logic makes sense. It's all the references to erasing, erasering. I'm gonna erase
Have you heard an Austrian accent say the word eraser?
That's enough.
That is enough.
I guess we'll shoot it and see how it turns out then.
A clickety clack, clickety clack clack.
Now you're here for one reason. This is my kindergarten class. And I'm going to need you to erase the board. That's the word. You need to erase it. The letters erased. The outlines erased. The little smudges, I want you to erase it.
Does he need an eraser?
Let me get this straight. Weird guy who I just met. You're saying if in the future someone's gonna come back and erase me now and then later?
I'm the robot, right? Someone erased my memory. And then they sent me forward in time to go back to where you are. To stop you.
Howard, I don't understand how this has anything to do with giving our son a toy for
Someone
Christmas.
erased my calendar. Why would you get this stupid gentleman?
Hey, I can't believe we're brothers.
Results are in, you're pregnant!
did you consent to
Someone erased my chromosome.
And the award goes to...
say the name of the award?
The award for best
Don't look at the audience, do whatever you want.
goes to Dominic Phil Thornton.
Oh,
Never choose it on our
You're going to do that to me? You're going to erase me? Into my history? No!
Yay, Dominic!
Good job.
thank you.
I'll take that.
What?
Whoa, rocket spaceman.
Was that Rocket Spaceman?
Yes, it was. You're not hallucinating. It was Rocket Spaceman.
Earlier in Austria.
He's hairy when you squint. Have a seat.
I'm seeing so many things that I don't know if I can trust.
I'm worried about you. Have you heard about Space Crazy from the movie Armageddon?
No, this like.
really clear. I swear I'm pregnant.
I'm just telling you that you don't know what you're saying right now. You're
see.
space crazy.
That's the first sign of pregnancy.
That's it.
Okay, your hands go here.
All right, I'm here to move the chairs. Who are you? He doesn't work here.
What?
He doesn't work here.
Is this?
I got laid off. Not
Is this him?
I'm
Is
so
this your
sorry. Legs are
husband?
supposed to not be that way.
Thank
This
you.
is highly inappropriate.
Thank you.
They're supposed to be the other way. So
virgin.
that leg
Oh,
on here
I just was-
and that leg on there.
I got laid because of that. But
This is really getting comfortable.
I felt like that wasn't fair. So I came back to keep working.
Yes.
So you understand.
Do you know what this is? You space crazy.
Yes!
Yes!
We'll punish him outside.
I'm so sorry this keeps happening. There's effects that happen from going into space.
Wow.
It's not just the bones, it's also the brain. I'll show you on this CAT scan.
How long was I up there? Doc, how long was I up?
2 months.
Wow. By the Gregorian calendar?
Yes, yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, yes, yes. The calendar of 2 months BC.
Were they 30-day months or 31?
You spent so much time up there. The internal parts of you that exploded are significant. I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
No. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No.
You space crazy. And appendix boop boops and testicles went clack clack clacks. I tried to use a lot of sound effects. It's the best way to get through to you.
Well, I'll accept my. Okay, you guys, if you have a trouble patient, I want you to just don't use the medical terms, okay? Use sound effects, all right? Make them feel it in their heart with the sounds like
True sound effects or like the idea of sound.
Interpret the thing. Like if they got lung cancer, you give them like a, oh, ouch!
So if their posterior uvulus is ruptured, how would we communicate such complex medical?
I think that's pretty obvious. You give them a little
Toot-oochie! Mr. and Mrs. Henderson. Sorry, I thought this was the door for Phil Thorntonfeld. Phil Thorntonfeld?
Yeah.
Phil Thorntonfeld?
He's over here.
Yeah, oh, God, right here. Thanks. Mr. and Mrs. Henderson?
Yeah, please.
I have some terrible news about your son.
Phil?
Phil?
Why did they take him to that
It
place?
seems he suffered a rare case of There is something we can do.
Oh, good.
Just a little. And we think that should be able to prolong his life for at least.
Wait. I eat my son out? I thought you meant my wife. I eat my son out?
It's medicine. And a typewriter.
Well, come here. We got the bad news. I have to eat your ass. Bend over.
Hold on just a moment. I've come to save you from your father eating you out.
Thank you.
It's no problem.
It just seems like that all of the movies that he's done are. How did you get on the driver's side?
I felt like it's time to stop patronizing you and time to start respecting you.
I wish I could feel that.
I'm sorry.
It just feels like they're smashing all of Arnold's movies in one.
Listen,
And
you've just been really that.
almost like he's erasing himself.
You know what? It's a meta commentary on really what Arnold is doing in today's society as a masculine figure. That's what I think they're doing.
You're so smart.
I miss your balls.